In this objective question from the given option, they are insisting us to specify the correct option mentioning the optimum condition responsible for the conversion of prototoxin to active toxin in the insect. For this, let me understand in which way this BD toxin in the insect is getting activated. The moment the BD toxin enters into the insect from the plant in the alkaline pH, it is getting converted into active toxin. This active toxin, after getting attachment to the intestinal membrane, it makes the intestinal membrane to become very loose so that the membrane porosity will be created after the vacuolation of the cytoplasm, so that the blood will be coming to the intestinal alimentary canal and making the particular pest to die. With this specification, we are choosing option D as a correct answer after ignoring option A, B and C. What are the points we told with this pictorial representation? We are giving as a point-wise narration to take the neat notes. Active toxin attached itself to the midgut epithelial cell surface, forming a hole that leads to cell lysis and swelling, which ultimately results in the insect death. With this specification, we are choosing option D as the correct answer to secure 4 mark after ignoring option A, B and C.